The Lomography La Sardina DIY camera combines a quirky sardine-can-inspired body with a fully functional 35mm film system that feels solid in the hand despite its playful look. Its very wide 22mm lens captures expansive scenes with strong vignetting and characterful distortion that suits street, travel, and experimental photography. The camera supports both multiple exposures and long exposures, making it easy to create layered, dreamy images without extra accessories or complicated setup. Simple zone focusing with 2 straightforward distance settings keeps operation beginner-friendly, while still allowing reasonably sharp results in good light. Because it uses standard 35mm film, it is easy to find film stocks, get them processed, and scan the negatives almost anywhere in the world. The do-it-yourself exterior is a standout feature, inviting you to decorate, paint, or customize the shell so the camera becomes a truly personal creative object.